what better way to start my review on the Rode Lavalier Go microphone other than to use it right now in today's intro, so you guys can hear for yourselves how good this microphone sounds. Let's get into it. And so just for reference, I'm going to put in this clip right here of me talking at highway speeds, because y'all know, man, highway speeds, if you've been riding a little bit, it's different, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to the audio, because all that wind coming through. So I got a little wind coming through, so we just see it, I'm just testing it. And here I sound at relatively lower city speeds. I'm still on the highway, but 20 miles an hour. You should be able to hear my voice a little bit more clear, but just letting y'all hear what it sounds like at lower speeds as well, without all the wind resistance.
The Rode Lavalier Go is a professional grade, small, omnidirectional microphone that can be used for a variety of your video production needs, including especially motovlogging. It's small and is plug and play via a 3.5mm jack. And since motovlogging is what I use this mic for, I can speak confidently when I say that this mic gets the job done just great. I have the microphone set up on the inside of my helmet underneath my cheek pad, and it picks up my voice flawlessly without any sort of interference. But although I am completely satisfied with the mic, there are a couple of hiccups I've encountered that are worth mentioning. And firstly, although the mic is set up on the inside of my helmet underneath my cheek pad and you put the visor all the way down, the mic is still a little sensitive, too sensitive, and may pick up a little more than you want it to. So you are going to have to find a way to muffle the mic a little bit, whether that being an extra pop filters, or you can do what I did and use straps of a t-shirt and just wrap it around the thing, to be honest. Secondly, also pertaining to the setup, if you decide to mount it on the inside of your helmet like I did, it may get a little annoying trying to find that sweet spot where it captures audio like it's supposed to and not really interfere with the fitment of your helmet and make it uncomfortable. Overall though, for such a subtle and expensive microphone, it delivers immensely, and I strongly recommend it for your motovlogging needs. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave it listed below in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all soon.